Hey everyone, today I'm just gonna be showing you guys just to see, showing you guys how you can tell how good your internet service actually is. You can see how fast it is, how bad the latency is, or lag, and you can also see how fast it's actually performing. And keep in mind, if you're running big things like Skype, Netflix, or any movie streaming service, or any heavy streaming or downloading things, that will affect how fast your internet will be going, because a lot of the main flow of internet will be going to that device that is doing the downloading or streaming. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, if you're on a Mac, you're going to open up Terminal. If you're on a PC, you're going to have to open up, I think it's called Command Prompt. I forget what it's called, I apologize. But you're going to want to type in ping and then a website. I recommend using Google. So at the www, just in case, because the one time I tried it without it, it didn't work. But then what you'll see here is these are pretty bad latency numbers. It starts out as 159. These aren't very good. I'm very far away from my Wi-Fi. As you can tell, I'm on Wi-Fi. I'm not actually hardwired. But as you can see, I have a 159. The bigger the number, the worse it is. You don't want a number really. You want to try to keep your number under 70. In my opinion, that's when I noticed that everything's still running. Everything's still running the same. And yeah, if you just look at these numbers, they're pretty basic. Except these, now that we're getting into the 300s, that's pretty bad. I do have pretty bad service in here. So the next thing I'm going to show you is another way to test your ping and see how fast your internet's actually going. So let's close out of that. Close, and then you're gonna also want to quit it because that'll slow some stuff down. So you're gonna want to go into Google and type in speedtest.net, or you can just do it in the normal bar. I just tend to use Google. And you're gonna want to go to this big map that's about to pop up, and it takes a while for it to. It's gonna find the most local thing for you. So it says start test to recommend server, and for mine it's Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And that just shows where it is, and then it's gonna first test your latency. So we can see how this. See, this says my average latency is 76, which sounds about right. My upload is being very slow for some reason. I think my dad has started watching some Netflix, so that, like I said, is gonna be a huge effect on it. So as you can see, I got 2.66. It's gonna show all your info that you get right here. Now it's gonna prepare to upload. This is going to be a very, very small number. If you have 10 megabits, you'll probably get roughly 1.5 megabits per second to 1. It's it's not very well. But that's what I don't know. It's always been like that. So yes, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.